Charisma isn't what you say, it's how people feel when you walk into a room. And watching Mamdani versus Cuomo, that was two completely different languages. Cuomo has polish. He's been rehearsing the same lines for decades. He knows when to smile, when to point, how to own the room. That's not charisma, that's stagecraft. And to be fair, that still works. People like familiar power. The deep voice, the tailored suit, the practiced pauses. It feels like leadership, even when it's empty. Then you have someone like Mamdani, whose charisma isn't sharp, it's human. He doesn't bulldoze, he disarms. He makes eye contact like he's actually listening, not waiting to speak. And then there's Trump, a totally different kind of charisma. Louder, messier, reckless, but somehow effective. Because charisma isn't about the truth, it's about presence. That's why it scares people when someone speaks without playing the game. The establishment doesn't call that leadership, they call it a threat. Charisma makes bad ideas sound convincing, and empty promises sound like hope. So now ask yourself, did you vote for the future or for the feeling?